Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're talking about the 2025 Aime 1 problem number 2. Please pause the video right now if you'd like to try this question yourself and resume the video when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, let's get started. The key thing to note about this problem is that there are a lot of similar triangles that can really help you. I've labeled the diagram, so let's start taking a look. It says, let M be the reflection of D through F, and let N be the reflection of G through E. Because M is a reflection of D through F, DF and FM must be the same length. So I'll mark that. By the same logic, NE and EG must be the same length. I've marked those in the diagram. Okay, let's carry on. We know that ADF and AEG are similar. How do I know this? Well, the side lengths of ADF and AEG are in the ratio, here I'll show you, AD over AE equals AF over AG. This is 4 over 20 equals 13 over 65. So, triangle ADF is similar to triangle AEG in the ratio 1 to 5. By the same logic, triangle ADF is similar to triangle ABC in the ratio of 1 to 7. Keep that in mind as it will be very important in solving this problem. Okay, one other key thing to notice is that if you draw this perpendicular, we have the same height as in AFM as ADF and the same base, meaning that in terms of area, ADF will equal AFM. By the same logic, and with these trapezoids, you can find that FMEN equals DFGE in area. And finally, you have NECB equals EGCB. This is very important as the problem asks to find the area of this heptagon, but by using these area congruences, you can find that the area of the whole pentagon is actually just the area of the triangle. They hid it within the problem. Because the bases are the same in the triangles and in the trapezoids, we can boil it down. Each part of the heptagon can be boiled down to a part of the triangle ABC itself. And the entire area of the pentagon is actually just the area of the triangle, and that will only come to light if you look closely enough and try out a few things in the problem. Okay, so now we just have to evaluate the area of triangle ABC. How can we do this? Well, we know that quadrilateral DEGF has area 288. So we're going to use that. So we know that in terms of area, the ratio of AEG to ADF is 25 to 1. So if ADF is one part and the whole AEG is 25 parts, that means that 24, I'll just call the variable x to define the area of ADF, 24x equals 288. Sorry, I can just write 1x and 25x so that it's not confusing. By solving this, we get that x equals 12, and that means that the area of ADF equals 12. Let's do an area proportion on ADF to ABC. If we know that the side lengths are in a ratio of 1 to 7, that means that the area is in a ratio of 1 to 49. And since we know that the area of ADF is 12, all we have to do is multiply by 49. So 12 times 49 is 588. 588 is the final answer to this problem. So let's summarize what we did. We started with identifying these similar triangles, and that was only possible because of these reflections that we found in the problem. Then we boiled down the heptagon to just these areas and figured out that the area of the heptagon was just the area of this big triangle. Then we used our similarity congruences to prove or to show that these were correct, and then we finally figured out our answer was 588. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you're notified when I make another video. Also, if you'd like to see me explain a topic or another problem, please leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you. Also, if you're looking for private tutoring or for school math subjects, you can check out my website at stemcoachingonline.com, which is still in the making. So in the meantime, you can leave a comment down below or send us an email at stemcoachingonline@gmail.com. Yeah, please reach out if you want to inquire about our private tutoring for school math subjects. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.